In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule meetings on Google Calendar for productivity. By the end, you'll have a clean, color-coded calendar, smart defaults, and routines that practically run themselves. Start by opening Google Calendar. On the left, find Other Calendars and click the plus icon next to it. Choose Create New Calendar. Make separate calendars for the main areas of your life, things like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each one a clear name and assign a distinct color. This simple setup makes your week visually organized at a glance, and you can toggle calendars on or off to focus on what matters right now. Next, set your default event preferences so every new meeting starts off right. Click the gear icon, go to Settings, then Event Settings, choose a default duration such as 30 or 60 minutes to keep meetings tight. Add 2 reminders, one about 10 minutes before and another an hour ahead, so you have both an early heads up and a final nudge. Decide if you prefer email alerts or on-screen notifications. These defaults prevent missed tasks and reduce the friction of creating events. Now time block your day. Instead of a long to-do list, put focused work directly on your calendar. Create blocks like 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock for admin tasks, 9 to 11 o'clock for deep work, 1 to 2 o'clock for client calls, and 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock for content creation. Treat these blocks like appointments with yourself. If priorities shift, drag to resize or move them. Your plan stays realistic and visible. Make routine work automatic with repeating events. Open an event and set it to repeat on the schedule you need. Use this for weekly planning on Sunday night, a monthly budget review, regular client check-ins, and your gym schedule. Recurring events free up mental energy, so you focus on doing, not remembering. Protect your attention with focus time and availability controls. Add focus time to block incoming meetings during your deep work, and use out of office when you're unavailable, so invites are declined automatically. Bring in tasks integration to surface quick to-dos right on your calendar without overloading your schedule. Finally, keep everything in sync and in context. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, turn on notifications, and let it sync with Gmail so invites appear automatically. Connect your conferencing tools like Zoom or Google Meet so links are added in one click. Inside each event, use the description for the agenda, notes, relevant links, and a simple checklist. With details in one place, you show up prepared and on time.